Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Conceptual Genetics and Breeding. From today onwards, we are going to start a new series of videos on plant breeding. So in this series, we will discuss what are the different principles of plant breeding and what are different methods which are used in plant breeding for varietal development, and also other topics which are related to plant breeding. So in today's video we will discuss about the introductory part of plant breeding, means what is plant breeding is. So let's start today's video. First of all, what is plant breeding? Means what is the meaning of plant breeding and what is the definition of this subject. So the branch of science concerned with changing the genotype of plants so that they become more useful to humans. So basically it is a branch of science, or we can say a branch of agriculture, in which we deals with the genetic changes of the plant so that the changes they will be more useful to humans. Okay, so basically if we want to define plant breeding, we can define as it is a art and science which deals with the genetic manipulation in the plant genome so that they can become more useful according to human needs. So basically in plant breeding, what we do genetic manipulations. So basically what is the meaning of genetic manipulation? To change the genes in the plant. For example, if a plant is it is having disease susceptibility. Okay, disease susceptibility means it is very prone to diseases, means different diseases, they the pathogens, they attack this plant. Okay, so what we do, we will insert a gene for disease resistance. Okay, disease resistance. So now when we insert a gene of disease resistance into this plant, now the pathogens, okay, the disease causing agents, they will now not able to attack the plant. So this is how we make plants useful according to human needs. So basically in plant breeding, we can define it is a art and science which deals with the genetic manipulation. Means in plant breeding, which we deal with genetic manipulation, genetic changes in the plant, so that these plants they can become more useful according to our need, according to our desire. We change the gene in the plants and we made the plants more useful to us. For example, here you can see that these are the disease resistant variety, for example. So how we made this disease resistant? We can transfer several genes to this plant. Okay, the disease resistant genes, we can say we can have, for example, this is one variety, this is another variety. So what we will do, we will made cross between these two varieties and we will try to transfer the disease resistant gene from here to here. Okay, from this donor to this recipient, because this is our variety, this is very good variety. For example, okay, this is having high yield, okay, high grain yield, but the problem of this variety is it is disease susceptible. Disease susceptible means this is very prone to disease, means diseases are frequently occur in this plant. Another side there is another plant, okay, or another variety of the same crop in which yield is not much, okay, yield is less, but diseases they do not occur here. Okay, means it is disease resistant. Okay, disease they do not occur here means the pathogen, the disease causing agent, it is not able to attack this plant because it is having some genes. What it have some genes which are disease resistant genes. Okay, means these genes they prevent the pathogen to attack this plant. Okay, so basically what we will do in plant breeding, we will made crosses between this variety and this variety, and we will transfer this gene from variety B to variety A, so that our variety A, now after transfer of the gene, it will have disease resistant also, means it will be disease resistant, and it will have higher yield also. Okay, so this, in this manner we can transfer the gene into plants, and we can change the genotype of the plant according to our need. Okay, according to our need. So there are different methods of transferring this gene from one plant to another plant. So in coming videos we will discuss different methods of plant breeding. Okay, so in detail we are going to discuss all the methods of transfer of gene from one plant to another plant. So basically it is plant breeding where we change the genotype of the plant, we add some gene, we delete some gene. Okay, and in this manner we make the plant more useful to human needs. Okay, so basically the genotype, or we can say the genetic makeup of the crop plant, it is such that it would permit considerable changes and improvements. So basically all the time there is chance to that we can change the genotype of the plant and we can make improvements. So if a plant is disease susceptible, we can make it disease resistant by transferring the disease resistant genes and by deleting the disease susceptible genes. Likewise, if a plant it is having low protein, what we can do, we can improve that this plant, okay, by transferring the genes which are having high protein content. Okay, so it is improvement, or we can say the genetic improvement. And the meaning of this sentence is that there is always a chance, always we have the chances to improve that plant. Okay, means the genetic improvement should be there, we have always this possibility. So plant breeding, it consists of the principles and methods which are required for favorably changing the genetic constitution of crop plants. Genetic constitution means the genotype, or the gene sequences, the genes which are present on the DNA of a plant. Suppose this is gene 1, gene 2 and so on. So in plant breeding we study different principles and different methods which we can use to make genetic changes. Okay, to make the genetic changes or to change the plant genotype. Okay, for example here you can see that in this image, for example, this is a plant which is virus resistant plant. Okay, and this is another plant of the maize. For example, this is one plant of maize in which virus resistant is there, means virus resistance is there, the genes are present for virus resistance. And here this is another plant which is having higher yielding genes. Okay, here plant is having gene for virus resistance, and here plants are having genes for higher yield. Okay, so we can transfer these both character into one single plant. Okay, and we can make a single plant which is having virus resistance gene also, and also the higher yielding genes. So this plant which we will make by using plant breeding method, it will have both the characters, it will have both the genes, means it will have gene for virus resistance. Okay, means now this plant is not being attacked by the virus, it is virus resistance. Okay, and it is also having the genes for higher yield, means now this plant will give us higher grain yield, means higher corn yield. So likewise in plant breeding we can transfer the genes from different plants into a single plant, and we can make a single plant which is more useful to human needs. Okay, so basically this is plant breeding, and in plant breeding it is consist of different methods. So in plant breeding we will study all those principles, all those methods which we needed to make the changes in the plants. Okay, so plant varieties, we all know that different plant varieties, new varieties are produced by plant breeding. They are better suited to human need in one or more characters than the existing varieties. So in this manner, by using plant breeding methods and principles, we can make different plant varieties which will be more useful to us and which will be more suited to our needs, our present day needs. And in this manner, Vavilov, he is one of the scientists, he defined plant breeding as plant evolution directed by man. So basically he defined plant breeding as plant evolution directed by man, because in this plant breeding, in this branch of agriculture, we make changes in the plant according to our need. Means, so the changes, they are directed by us, they are directed by man. So that's why Vavilov defined plant breeding as plant evolution directed by man. So we will discuss all these methods in coming videos. So basically, different branches which are associated with plant breeding, there are various branches which are associated with plant breeding. Means knowledge of all these branches of agriculture and science, it will be helpful to do better plant breeding. So what are these branches? Genetics or biotechnology. Like we have to have the knowledge of genetics and biotechnology in order to make good plants. Okay, in order to make those plant varieties which are best suited to our need. And robotics nowadays, biotechnology, bioinformatics, genomics or molecular biology, statistics, we should have knowledge of computer science and statistics, agronomy, horticulture, plant physiology, plant pathology, entomology, all are related to plant breeding. So a plant breeder must have knowledge of genetics, the principles of genetics and the various methods of genetics. Plant pathology means about the pathogens. Okay, about the disease causing agents, we should have knowledge. If we have knowledge of plant pathology and entomology, after that only we will be able to make varieties which will be disease resistant or insect pest resistant. Okay, so all these branches we should have knowledge in order to make better plant varieties. So in coming videos we will discuss different methods and principles which are related to plant breeding. Thank you so much.